Okay, so I'm at Petco. It's a different pet store than the video I had before. And I'm just looking at the hamsters and stuff right now. Here's a dwarf hamster. And then there's a bunch of them in there too. The white hamster in there. I don't know where the heck he is. I don't know, I can't find him right now. And I don't know if there's one in there either. I can't find that one either. But
right there, his bedding's moving.
This one, I think he's over on the left. You can't really see him though. I don't know. My brother said he saw him, but whatever. I really want a dwarf hamster though. These guys are like, I just want one really bad. They're so cool. I've never had a dwarf hamster yet. And then over here they have ferrets. There's like 5 ferrets. 2 fighting right here, playing, whatever. And then there's one right there, just came out. There's one sleeping still. And there's another one inside the igloo, sleeping. And then mice right there. And these ones. That guinea pig always gets scared when I come over here by it. And then these 2 little guys in the corner. They're really small. So yeah, that's the Petco, kind of close to my house. It's like in Germantown, Wisconsin. So it's kind of close to my house, but we drove over here. Like, I've ridden my bike here before, but it's far. And it's hard to get up the hill. So that's my video.